How to view received quick snap on Instagram. First of all, let's navigate and open the Instagram app on your phone and log into your account. Once you are in, tap on the messenger icon located at the top right corner of the screen to access your DMs. Once you are in, look for the chat that has a blue play circle or a message notification, which means you have received a new quick snap. Tap on that chat and you will see the message that says photo or video with the flash circle next to it. Tap on the message to view the quick snap. Remember, if the sender has set it to view once, you will only be able to watch it one time. If they allowed replay, you can view it one more time by tapping on replay after the first view. And if it was sent with keep in chat, the photo or video will remain visible in the chat and you can tap on it anytime to see it again. And that's it. This is how you can view received quick snaps on Instagram. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.